@Lipa Community Network #zwakala nawe emsakazweni ngiyathemba naphilezwe ligama lokuhamba and babaratani sekhwaba kina understand LB Diablo JG. Guess what? Today we are here at Stanwest Library. Si domestic usisomchiyamo from Lekwa Municipality ophinde futhi ngathi ophethe ama libraries but asimtekele ngoyena wasitshelayo kahle kahle ukuthi kungani sihleli naye lana namhlanje kuzi-20 zika-April 2026 indaba enkulu kusasa njengoba kuzobe kuzi-21. Mr. Njiyago, welcome to the platform. Ngicela nje ukubingelele nama-viewers.
Angibingelele nonke nama-viewers LCN, yeah.
Yes.
Now into kumele siyazi ukuthi namhlanje sida Stanwest Library, which is the library khona na eLekwa ama-library esinawo eLekwa awu-5. We've got your Thuthukane Public Library, kube yi-Morgan's Hall, kube yi-Standard Hall, bese kuba iSakhile, bese kuba yisobe iStanwest. But now we are here tonight Stanwest because the Stanwest is value for the past 2 months because the good renovation that is taking place. Now sasa siyasivula iStanwest 2021 officially, and therefore sesithi abantu must know ukuthi asset yawo izoqala ukusebenza from tomorrow.
Alright, in terms of arrangements in plan, program for tomorrow is 21.
Yeah, i-program ibe kanje ekuseni sizoba ne-cleaning campaign lapho sobe screena ama-premises yonke into nje sobe sicleana nje le-library ukuthi kube right, abantu bathi babeyibuka bayibona ukuthi library. Hence we encourage members of the community ukuthi beze kule campaign izoqala ngo-9 o'clock. Then around 12 o'clock sizobe the friends of the library. We know that each and every library must have friends. Those are people who will be advocating programs as a library, going out to the community to tell the community that this is your facility, come and use this facility. Then they will also be mobilizing the resources for the library, who was the library around 12 o'clock. Then on 2 o'clock we'll have a community meeting where the MMC and the executive mayor will be addressing the community on the issues around libraries.
Alright. Now that we know who are friends of the libraries, as of the who qualifies to be a friend of the library?
Now, in terms of our the terms of reference that are there, we want people who are active in the community, especially those who are advocating issues. Yeah, and I think those ones, they are relevant, especially those organization, the daycare centers, then the retired teachers, and the people who are interested to see library is a benefit. Now, at least they are bringing their expertise was the library functioning.
Yes. I know today we are here at Stanwest Library, but in I would like him to take us a Sakhile Library, my facility there, a corner which is specially designed for disabilities. When this particular office, beneficiary.
Yeah, now but essentially we got immediately for the blind.
Yeah.
Now we encourage abantu who are partially blind and abantu who cannot even who are blind they are totally blind to come and use the facility, because the facility has been there, but we are challenged in terms of identifying those people who should be members and use that facility. But I think this platform is where we are saying all those people who are interested must come forward so that we can use the facility. And I can also indicate that we have started, there are activities, and we expect the community to support that facility and also to bring our members forward. And as libraries, we are willing to provide assistance in terms of ensuring that facility is active and abantu bayisebenzi. And if we have members or people who are interested, we are even willing to ensure that we transport them so that they can use that facility.
Mr. Chairman, thank you very much. Mhlambe in encouraging yona indaba ye-education and also ukuthi abantu ba-engage more ukuthi indaba yokufunda nokubasondela ema-libraries ungathini nje sokukhuluma nabo bonke we're talking from learners, students and also like the rest of the community.
Yeah, you know what we need to learn from people around corner. You see, in Standardton, we are fortunate that we have people who have made it. And most of them, who, if you can go and ask them, ukuthi ukuze bafinyelele lapha bakhona, they will tell you that library has always been part of their journey. Yeah, now we expect ukuthi abantu bayisebenzise le facility because with in library we expect people to read books. There are many books there, and we don't want ukuthi iy'ncwadi sibe nazo but zingasetshenziswa. Hence we are encouraging ukuthi abantu they must be members. Now let's come July, our membership will be free. Then it shows that everybody must be in a position to read. Because we know that what they are saying is that if ufunda uba speaker zwalala so people should got knowledge, and knowledge is power. That's what we all want. We want power, and we can also get we can only get information if we interact with the books that are available in our public library.
Oh yeah, I'm glad to touch on indaba yokuthi it also grow and develop for Kepiako. Myself as someone who's totally blind, I like in most cases doing public speaking. So knowing ukuthi uma libraries zinawo I can also go and equip myself ukufunda iy'ncwadi esakhile library sinawo ukuthi vele ngiyakwazi ukwenza lokho. I'm very much grateful and appreciative yakho ngokuthi lezi zinto ezenzakalayo. Mhlambe if I am an author ngisho khona have my own books. Kwenzeka kanjani mhlambe ukuthi sibe available kuma libraries?
Okay, what we want, because at the end of the day, those authors must come home.
Yeah.
Because you know that as libraries, from time to time, we go and select books.
Oh.
Now, we will encourage them to come forward. And we know that when we go for book selections, at least their books are there. Yeah. Then we will encourage libraries. If the person is from Lagos, we'll encourage them to select those books so that at least we are able, when people are coming in, we are able to say, this book has been written by so and so who resides here in Standardton. Yeah, and we expect them to come forward. Then I think we'll move with them to ensure that their books are recognized, and also accessible to our library.
No, listen, Diego, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Sivakaje khona lana sidibaneni kusasa 21 April 2026 la sizobe sivula khona kabusha i-Standards Library. Mhlawumbe ungavalelisa Mr.
And I thank you for an opportunity to come and speak on behalf of the library.
Yes, sir.
Now we are saying tomorrow we expect the members of the community to be part of this reopening. We have assigned, we will have groups that will be performing in terms of ensuring that they encourage the issue around reading and now we will be here please as a so that sizovula the library. This is our asset.
Most definitely. Until next time, make sure to put some months back ready, love and light, decent dresses. Oh!